Is this you? You open your computer excited to take on the trading day. Then you spot it. A head, shoulders, knees, and toes pattern that you were taught by your favorite day trading guru. So you place your order and sit there as you quiver in fear when you see your P&L go into the red and all of a sudden your account balance has decreased. Don't worry. I've been in the same boat. Now this advice won't make you a millionaire, but it will minimize your losses and help you consistently win your trades. So this is why I keep my stop loss and take profit 2 ticks away from my order, and why I think you should do that too. First and foremost, small consistent wins are a cornerstone of effective risk management. By setting tight profit targets and stop loss orders, you minimize the impact of sudden market fluctuations. This disciplined approach helps protect your capital and ensures that you live to trade another day, even if the market takes an unexpected turn. If you suck, like me, and you're wrong most of the time, at least you will be losing less money. Trading psychology plays a significant role in success. Small wins contribute to building confidence and maintaining emotional stability. Unlike the emotional roller coaster that can accompany large wins and losses, the steady accumulation of small wins fosters a positive mindset, enhancing your decision-making ability during trading. Knowing that if you're wrong, you will only lose $25 instead of $200 is a very comforting thought while I trade, and it helps me trade with more courage and confidence, and it could help you too. I know the finger isn't pointing at you. I couldn't be bothered finding one that was. Futures markets are known for their volatility, and chasing big wins can expose you to unnecessary risk. Focusing on consistent smaller gains allow you to navigate through market fluctuations more smoothly. It's like sailing a ship through choppy waters with a steady hand rather than seeking the thrill of riding a storm. Think of day trading as a marathon, not a sprint. Small consistent wins contribute to sustainable growth over time. While it might be tempting to swing for the fences and hit a home run, the reality is that consistent profits compound and lead to long-term success. Slow and steady really does win the race in the world of futures trading. This was just a short video. It is New Year's Eve, so I don't want to spend too much time making a video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments below. Happy trading.